morning, everyone. It's great to be back at the Hotel Guest Experience Forum, and thank you for once again supporting Springboard as your charity today. So at Springboard, we believe that hospitality is all about people, real people with stories, ambitions, and potential. And when you invest in them, when you unlock their talent and give them the tools to thrive, extraordinary things can happen. So yes, we change lives, but we also elevate every aspect of our industry, because behind every warm welcome, every memorable meal, every personalised touch, there's someone who feels proud of the job they do and has been empowered to do it brilliantly. So it's no fancy technology from me today, this morning. It's all about people and how developing talent isn't just the right thing to do, it's the most powerful way to transform the guest experience. So Springboard has a bold vision to deliver 1 million new hospitality skills by 2030. It's not just about filling jobs, it's about equipping people with the confidence, the passion, and the real-world skills that they need to thrive and create genuine guest experiences. So we train unemployed and disadvantaged people from all sorts of backgrounds. We support young people through school and college programs, and we offer access to hands-on experience with some of the UK's most respected hospitality employers. You might recognise those steps just outside. And the result, a new generation of confident, capable people who bring personality and warmth to every guest interaction. So, like I said, bold new strategy to deliver 1 million new hospitality skills by 2030. And it's our mission to create confident, career-ready talent who are equipped to exceed guest experiences from day one. Whether it's mastering service standards, learning how to handle difficult customers, or developing teamwork and communication, our programs are designed to build people up from the inside out, ready to represent your brand with warmth and pride. So take Tiana, for example, on the left. She joined Springboard after finishing college and feeling unsure about her next steps. And through our program, she built confidence, developed her interview skills, and discovered her passion for serving guests. She now works as a receptionist at Royal Lancaster, London. And she said, "I was not sure of myself for a long time, and the Springboard course helped and added to my certainty and who I want to be. And that clarity and self-belief now shape every guest experience that she delivers." Or take Kyle. He won Springboard's Trainee of the Year award earlier this year in April, and he faced some massive challenges growing up, but he refused to give up. And with our support, he found a new path and a new future in hospitality. And the reason I share it is today he works right here at the Waldorf Hilton in the bar that you passed coming in. He began as a doorman, so now he works on the bar, and he's completing an apprenticeship, and he dreams of one day opening his own business, his own bar. And his adaptability, his drive, and the warmth have made a lasting impression on both colleagues and guests. And Carl's story is a powerful reminder of what happens when you match opportunity with potential. Now, these transformations are only possible through the partnerships we have with hospitality businesses. And I want to take a moment to celebrate some of the businesses who make all this happen. So Dominus is a fantastic one. It's setting the standard for what a long-term partnership looks like, from hosting site visits to mock interviews, they set teams up Snowdonia to take part in a three-peaks challenge. We're currently doing a virtual race. We've got 400 people from the industry clocking up miles and raising some pounds for Springboard. And Dominus is even exploring the potential of opening a hotel school in one of its new properties. Another one is IHG, and this is their Voco St David's property. So they took trainees through an immersive industry visit and work placements, giving them a real feel for hotel operations and inspiring them to see their future in the sector. Putt Plaza in Westminster Tower Bridge, they partnered with us to deliver a takeover day, and it was a pop-up restaurant. So we had 25 young people who were trained in a day as waiters and chefs, and then they delivered a 3-course meal for their parents, for teachers, and for industry guests. And it's a brilliant example of how the experience built confidence in them and fueled their passion to consider a career in the industry. Or London Hilton on Park Lane, students recently explored the different hotel departments, from a behind-the-scenes look at housekeeping with the executive housekeeper to a hands-on afternoon tea table-setting masterclass led by the restaurant manager. These experiences gave students a clear, exciting view of the roles available in the industry in a real five-star environment, and left many of them inspired to pursue a hospitality career. And finally, Clarent Hospitality. So they joined forces with Springboard to provide hands-on placement, mentoring, careers talks across its portfolio of hotels. And they're helping us open doors to young people, not just into jobs, but into meaningful long-term careers. So hospitality is a people-first industry. As we've heard this morning, technology can enhance, but it's your people who create the magic for your guests. And when you partner with Springboard, you don't just support someone into work, you bring in staff who are loyal, passionate, and really motivated. So last year, we trained more than 5,000, or we supported more than 5,300 people into work in hospitality, which is a record-breaking figure for us. But most importantly, 81% were still in work after 12 months. So they're not just about short-term fixes, they're long-term sustainable outcomes. And in a sector where recruitment and retention are constant challenges, this really matters. So looking ahead, we're aiming to deliver 200,000 hospitality skills every year across our training, across our school programs, and across our digital platforms like CareerScope. But we can't do it alone. And it's not just about recruitment, it's about reinforcing your guest experience from the ground up. Now, hotels tell us again and again that Springboard's trainees bring a unique energy. They're grateful, they're eager to learn, and they genuinely feel proud of the work they do. And that authenticity shines through in their guest experiences. Now, we need more hotel partners to help us do this, to offer work placements, to run mock interviews, to speak in schools, to open your doors to young people. So if you'd like to explore how we could work together, please speak to myself or my colleagues Bhavna and Anna, who are on a stand outside. And finally, we're raising a few pounds to support our work today, and we're doing a raffle. Tickets are £10 each. We've got an amazing prize up for grabs. Cedric Grolet's Champagne Gouty for two at the Berkeley Hotel. So please do buy a raffle ticket from one of my colleagues. And together we can really empower people and create exceptional guest experiences, one connection at a time. So thank you very much, and enjoy the break.